How to book your entire hotel room by using mobile app. Okay, let's move on. Okay, how to book your entire hotel room by using mobile app? Yeah, first of all, you have to install this Antalya Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app from Google Play Store by clicking the link below this video here at the description part of this video. The link will look like this. Or you can pause this video and scan the following QR code here with your mobile phone QR code scanner to install this Antalya Travel Tour Guide mobile app. After you have installed this Antalya Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app, then please follow this coming step-by-step video screenshot to book your Antalya hotel room fast and easily before you travel to Antalya for vacation and holidays with your friends, with your families and friends. Okay, now let's go into the Google Play Store. So after you have installed this Antalya Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app, click on this open button. Then it will bring you to this mobile app page, this Antalya Tour Guide mobile app. This mobile app got few rows and columns here. Look at the first row, in the middle, this part hotel booking. Click on this icon and it will redirect you to the hotel booking page. You can search the hotel first before you book the hotel. Okay, now let me enlarge the screen. Okay, this is the hotel combine that you can search the availability hotel in Antalya. You can input your check-in date and check-out date and the rooms for how many person. Click on search, it will list out the hotel that are available for you to book or reserve. Okay, or if you don't want, you can scroll down to this page and then you can look for the browse through the popular Antalya hotels. Here got few and with the star rating and the rating score point here. The highest, the better. Okay, here got Liberty Hotel, Zara, Romanta Plaza, Antalya, Accra Hotel. Scroll down, look for the hotels that you want to book or reserve. Okay, then for example, you also can see the hotel picture and photo. Let's say I want to book this hotel. Let's say I want to book this Liberty Hotel, Zara. I just click on View Deal. And then it will bring me to the page to show me the details and description of this Liberty Hotel Zara. I can browse through or you can browse through the hotel picture. Okay, how the hotel look like, the outside of the hotel and the hotel room with swimming pool, nice swimming pool. Wow, massage. Okay, you can browse through the page. Okay, look for it. Okay, let's say I want to choose this hotel. I have to input the check-in date first. Let's say March. Okay, second to third. Okay, to 2 adults, and then I click on check availability and price. But before that, I will scroll down and let you see the hotel features here, and then the guest review. Okay, mostly for families, and then other guest review on this hotel. Okay, let's say I want to book this hotel. Then the next step, I'm going to after I input the check-in date, check-out date, and the rooms for how many person. Okay, then I click on check availability and prices. Then the page will show me to the hotels price comparison from a different hotel booking platform. Okay, here got display 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is showing the 4 different hotel booking platform for this hotel. Okay, with a different price, of course, with a different package. If I want to see more other booking platform with a different price, I can click here compare 6 websites. Then it will show me more comparison from different provider with a different price and different package cost. If I click 10, show 10 more, it show me even more. Of course, with different types of room, different prices, and then from a different provider. Okay, let's say for example, I want to book the hotel through this hotel.com. I just click view deal. Then it will redirecting me to the hotels.com page within 3 seconds. Okay. After 3 seconds, then it will show me the hotels.com booking page. Okay. Okay, then I can scroll down to confirm to look at, make sure I'm booking this hotel with this price for 1 room for 1 night. Okay, show me the details, the picture, the features, the services that are available in this hotel. I can scroll down further even more to look at other prices from the different types of room with different prices and services available. Okay, let's say I want to book this hotel. I can scroll, you see, I can scroll to the different picture of this hotel. Let's say I want to book this hotel. Okay, then I just have to click book now. Then of course it forces me to click search again. Okay, then let's say I want to book this hotel. Okay, let's say I want to book. I click on the booking button, book hotel buttons again. Then of course he's requiring me to input my first name, last name, and then my email address and mobile number in case of emergency to contact me. On the right hand side here, show me the price, the score rating, the review points, and review by 388 guests, my booking check-in date and check-out date information, the room information, which is economy room, the prices, the tax and fees. So I will be charged around 89.64 cents US dollar. Okay, I can click apply coupon if any I have. I have to input the first and last name and the credit card information here, and the billing address. Okay, once everything is done, I just click confirm this one night purchase. Okay, now this is the page, the final page that I have to input my payment information and contact information to confirm my booking to this hotel. Okay, of course I'm not going to input my credit card payment information here, just let you know it's very easy and simple to book your hotel here. Once finish to fill in the form, I just click confirm this one night purchase button, then it will be done. Okay, this provider platform will email the hotel booking confirmation details and information to my given email address that I input here. Okay, so once you have done, just click done to exit the hotel booking page, and then you can explore more with this entire travel tour guide mobile app here. Okay, you can click here to explore more tourist visited places in Antalya during your traveling and holiday in Antalya. Okay, so where to install finally? Repeat again, where to install this entire travel tour guide mobile app to book your hotel easily via this app? Just come to this Google Play Store link, click the link below this video, and or you can scan this QR code with your mobile phone QR code scanner to install it first. Okay. Besides this, please click like to this video and then share it with your friends, and also tap on or click on the bell notification, and we will notify you next video that we post uploaded to YouTube. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye.